Now let us have a look at one more concept, that is of like fractions and unlike fractions, and comparing these like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. What are like fractions? Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. For example, if you say 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, these all are like fractions. Here, one whole is divided into 7 parts. Here we are considering 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, and these all are like fractions. It is not compulsory that we need a proper or improper fraction. This 10 upon 7 is also can be considered, and these all are like fractions. And if you want to compare these like fractions, which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller, it is very easy. 7 parts, 2 out of 7 parts, 3 out of 7 parts, 4 out of 7 parts, 5 out of 7 parts. Suppose you are having one object, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Someone is having 2 parts out of 7. One is having 3 parts out of 7. Someone is having 4 parts out of 7. 5 parts out of 7. So obviously 2 upon 7 is smallest, 3 upon 7 is bigger, 4 upon 7 is further bigger, 5 upon 7 bigger, 10 upon 7 is obviously biggest. So in this way we can see, we can compare like fractions. And then there is something called unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Different denominator. Like if I say 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 5, these are unlike fractions. 4 upon 6, 2 upon 7, these are unlike fractions. Now how to compare these unlike fractions? To compare these unlike fractions, one thing that is possible, that two unlike fractions may have same numerator. Unlike fractions having same numerator. Suppose I write 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 5. 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 5. Okay. One whole I am having. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I am dividing it into suppose 7 equal parts, and here I am dividing it into 5 equal parts. Here if you consider these 2 parts out of 7, these are the 2 parts out of 7, and here 2 parts out of 5 are obviously more. So we can say that this 2 upon 7 is smaller than 2 upon 5. So when the numerators are same, in unlike fractions, how to compare? The fraction having bigger denominator is smaller. Here the denominator is bigger. These are two unlike fractions and we want to compare it. We will see what are denominators, 7 and 5. Okay. Numerators same. Now here we will check which one is having bigger denominator. Here it is having 7, it is 5. So this is bigger denominator. So this fraction is smaller. Other way around, how you can see that one student is getting 2 marks out of 7. This is one way of remembering, although it does not hold true for this fractions. But suppose one is getting 2 marks out of 7, another is getting 2 marks out of 5. So who has got more marks? Obviously the who is having 2 marks out of 5 is having more marks. Okay, suppose one is having 5 marks out of 10, another is having 5 marks out of 20, and the question is which fraction is bigger. So straight away you can say that he's having 5 marks out of 10, he's having 5 marks out of 20. So obviously this fraction is bigger. And if you compare denominators, bigger denominator, fraction is smaller. So one way is to check the denominator. For unlike fractions, it is clear. For like fractions, it is clear. For unlike fractions, two case, same numerator, different numerator. When the numerator is same, in that case, we check denominator. The one having bigger denominator is smaller. One having bigger denominator, that fraction is smaller. Other way around, you can see that, okay, one is getting 5 marks out of 10 and another is getting 5 marks out of 20. He is having 50% marks, he is having just 25% marks. So obviously this fraction is bigger. Another case is when numerators are also different and denominator is also different. Suppose we want to compare 2/7 and 3/5. In that case, as you all know, we have to make the denominators same. How to make the denominator same? We will take the LCM of 7 and 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7. So LCM is 35. Now we will make denominator of both as 35. So 2/7 to be multiplied by something, 3/5 also to be multiplied by something. To make the denominator 35. Basically, we are going to make these fractions like. So 7 to be multiplied by what number to make it 35? 5. 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. 5 to be multiplied by what number to make it 35? 7. 5 7s are 35, 3 7s are 21. So now you can easily compare 10 parts out of 35 and 21 parts out of 35. So this one is bigger, or you can say 3/5 is bigger than 2/7. So in this way we can compare fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions, easy to compare. Unlike fractions, two cases, same numerator, different numerator. Same numerator, check the denominator. Different numerator, make the denominator same. So in this way we can compare these fractions. Okay, so today we learned first of all what are fractions, then we learned types of fractions, what are proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, and further we discussed what are equivalent fractions, how to obtain equivalent fractions, how to check whether fractions are equivalent or not, and then like and unlike fractions and comparing these fractions. These all are simple topics. You are studying from class 5 onwards, 5, 6, you are studying these topics. So this was basically an overview or introduction of chapter fractions. Further we will discuss operations related to these fractions. So today that was all, and revise it, see these videos at least twice, and related to it I'll post one assignment. Do that assignment and be more clear with this concept. Thank you.